Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad Drive not loading issues in 2026. So if your CryptPad Drive is stuck loading, files are not appearing, or the drive page won't open, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent CryptPad Drive from loading files and folders correctly. Next, refresh the page and wait a few moments. Temporary server or browser issues can sometimes cause endless loading screens. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data is one of the most common causes of drive loading problems. Next, try opening CryptPad Drive in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your browser configuration. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can interfere with CryptPad services and prevent the drive from loading. Next, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Using a different account may cause files and folders to appear missing. Now update your browser to the latest version. Older browsers may experience compatibility issues with modern web applications. Next, close unnecessary tabs and applications to free up memory and improve browser performance. Now restart your browser and sign back into CryptPad to establish a fresh session. Finally, if the issue continues, restart your computer and try accessing CryptPad Drive again after the reboot. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad Drive not loading issues. Now your files and folders should load properly without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.